Welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, and in this Python tutorial we will be learning about a very basic concept in Python Matplotlib plotting, that how to customize your title, your X and Y axis label according to your own need. Basically, customizing means like you can control your font size, you can make the font size a boldface, you can control the font name, you can also change the color of the fonts, you can also rotate the fonts, and you can like also move your axis level and title to the center, uh, to the left, to the right, and you can also control intensity of your color in terms of your title and xy axis level. So let's see how to do it. So before starting, here I have a simple plot of y equal to sine x. So here I have x and y, and I have simply plotted y equal to sine x. So now our job is to give this plot as a title, then y level, and then x axis level. So first give a title. So for that, type command plt dot title and give name as a string, and just put y equal to sine x. So this has become my y equal to sine x. Now what to do? Now you can change its color. So for that, color equal to say red. So you can see that its color has become red. Now you can increase its font size if you want. So font size, and give it is a 40. Now see, its font size has increased. Now if you want, you can make its font size bold. So for that, for making font size bold, type font weight and just give bold. See, now your font size of title is more thicker. Now you can also control the intensity of your title. So for that, type alpha equal to say, so alpha varies from 0 to 1, just type 0.1 and see what happens. See, it is like not looking so much good, so just go to 0.5. Now it seems, and if you type 1, it will be fully red. So this way you can control the intensity. Now if you want, you can give it as a font name. So font name, just type serif. See, the font style has changed. So this way you can change. Now you can also control that how much far you want to give your title name. So for that, just type y and give a float more than 1. So 2.0. See, now the title has shifted very far from your plot. So this way you can do. For that, I'm tapping just 1.2. Okay, so now your title has been customized. Now do for your x-axis level, or more one thing, you can also control the location. So just type location equal to, just type say left. See, it has shifted your left. If we type right, it will shift to here. If you type center, it's center. So this will be at the center. So for time being, I'm just keeping left. Okay, so this way you can customize your title. Now come to your x-axis level. So for that, type command plt dot x level and give say x data. So you have x data, and similarly you can control its everything, like you can give color, font, weight, everything. So I'm just uh, I'm copying this and putting here without wasting my time, and I'm removing this one, no need here, and running. See, now you can change your color if you want. You can say you want to give it green, and you can make it, let's say, location, you want to make it in the center. Okay, so it is in the center, and now you want to control, say, like want to control font size, give it 50. Yeah, so here is 50, or maybe you can give it a black, you can give, yeah. So now give it as 1.0. See, this is your font. Maybe you can give green, back black appears. Okay, so now you have customized x and y, sorry, title and x axis level. Now you want to customize y axis level. So for same type as x axis, y level, and give say sin x, and rest things you can copy from here and paste it, and yeah, so location for y axis location, let's run it. Okay, so here is sin x. You can also like just change the location, see what happens. Left, so in that there is no such things. Bottom, center, top, you can just type here top, and let's see, it has gone to top. Maybe you can type bottom. Okay, so it has shifted to the bottom of the plot, this side. So I hope in this video, like, we have controlled all aspect of your plot. Make it 0.5 and give it a color, say cyan. Okay, so you can see that we have controlled almost every aspect of your title, x axis level and y axis level. So for that we have given certain keywords. Say that for changing color we have given color change, font size 40. You can give your integer or font weight, boldface you have done. You can control intensity of your axis level or title from 0 to 1. You can give your font name as per you want, and you can give your like location of your title, axis level, y axis level according to your middle, center, left, right, top, bottom, etc. So I hope this has helped you to gain a very quick and profound insight about how to customize your title, your X and Y axis level according to your need. And also one more thing, you can also like rotate if you want. Rotation, say rotation equal to say 45 degree. Let's see what happens. See, this time your title has rotated. You can also give say 90 degree. 90 degree. See, this way. So similar things you can do for others also. So it has been rotated. So this way you can rotate the things. Maybe I want to rotate by 10 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree and 30 degree. Okay, see, maybe you can control your Y level rotation. Okay, so this way you can do. Okay, so I hope you got the idea of this Python tutorial, that how to control your font size, your title and in your X and Y axis level. So you can go through the code once again, and I will attach the Python code in the video description. So if you found my Python tutorial informative, then you do please subscribe my YouTube channel, especially if you are a new visitor, to learn more about Python programming. So thank you. Thank you again.